Alright, what's up YouTube? I was gonna start this project yesterday. I got one delivery yesterday and one today. I got asphalt millings delivered here and I was gonna get them spread yesterday, but I got busy picking up some steel. So instead, I'm gonna get that taken care of now. I thought it was gonna rain, so that's why I didn't get started earlier, but the clouds look like they're clearing up. So I'm gonna go get the mini skid steer and start spreading them. Hope you guys are doing well. Thanks for tuning in to today's video, and hope you enjoy it. So let me go get some tools and the skid steer. So before they dropped off the first load yesterday, I went ahead and put a little bit of weed barrier up here by the deck. I still have this edge to put some weed barrier on, but I'll take care of that in a little bit. And I did weed barrier here by the deck because there's a lot of weeds that grow right here and it's not a very trafficked area. So I wanted to avoid some of them from popping through. But I'm real happy with what they brought. It's pretty fine stuff. There's no big chunks in it. So real happy with it. And then get a shovelful to hold it down and not let the wind take it up. Okay. Okay. I'm going to do my best to not tear up the weed fabric as I drive on it with the mini skid, but I think it's going to be a little harder than I think. So this is going to require a lot of hand leveling. It's gonna be kind of hard to gauge how thick it is. That looks pretty good. I don't know how long that took, but I gotta do it a lot more now. Alright, that's all I got done so far, but I gotta go pick up my wife now, and then I'll keep at it when I get back, or maybe tomorrow. So I'll catch back up with you whenever that happens. Alright, it's been about 3 weeks since that last clip that you just watched where I still had a huge pile of asphalt millings over there. I ended up spreading it in 2 different layers. I just wanted to make sure that I have enough material to cover the area that I wanted to cover. But then after I finished spreading it all, I compacted it with a plate compactor from Home Depot that I rented, and then it's rained on it a few times, and just time overall is letting it compact a little bit more. But I'm really happy with the end product. I couldn't have done it without that little mini skid, so another win for the mini skid. And thanks for watching this video. I will catch you guys on the next one.